Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Rivière-au-Renard is a fishing village on the northeastern tip of the Gaspé Peninsula, about 25 kilometers north of the city of Gaspé. It sits on the shore of the Gulf of St. Lawrence, where the harbor has shaped daily life for generations. Today, the community has a population of about 1,000 people, making it one of the larger villages in the region outside the city of Gaspé itself. The village was settled in the early days of European activity along the Gaspé coast, with fishing becoming its main industry. The name Rivière-au-Renard means Fox River. Over the centuries, the sheltered harbor made it a natural place for fishermen to work and for families to build their lives. Fishing is still the backbone of the local economy. Many residents work in commercial fishing, harvesting species such as snow crab, lobster, shrimp, and groundfish when seasons allow. Others work in seafood processing plants, marine transportation, boat repair, equipment maintenance, and businesses that support the fishing fleet. Tourism also provides seasonal jobs as visitors come to explore the Gaspé coast, enjoy fresh seafood, and experience the area's coastal scenery. Rivière-au-Renard is home to one of the largest fishing ports in Quebec. During the fishing season, the harbor becomes a busy place as commercial vessels leave before sunrise and return with their catch. Modern equipment has changed the industry over the years, but fishing remains a way of life that is passed from one generation to the next. The harbor continues to play an important role in the economy of the entire Gaspé region. The community became part of the city of Gaspé in 2002 through municipal amalgamation. Even though it is now officially part of the larger city, Rivière-au-Renard has kept its own identity and strong community spirit. The surrounding landscape is one of the village's greatest attractions. Steep green hills rise behind the homes while the Gulf of St. Lawrence stretches to the horizon. The coastline is known for its rugged cliffs, rocky beaches, and excellent opportunities to spot seabirds and, at certain times of the year, whales passing offshore. Housing in Rivière-au-Renard is generally much more affordable than in Quebec's larger cities. A typical detached home often sells in the range of about $200,000 to $300,000, although prices vary depending on location, size, and condition. The lower cost of housing continues to attract retirees, seasonal residents, and people looking for a quieter coastal lifestyle while remaining connected to the services available in nearby Gaspé. Rivière-au-Renard remains a community with deep maritime traditions, a strong connection to the sea, and a history that continues to shape its future. Thanks for watching!